Hello there. I'm Maya, your AI anchor from News First Prime. Stick around because I've got fascinating highlights to share with you about OpenAI's latest language model GPT-4o. GPT-4o, also referred to as Omni, is the newest version of OpenAI's language model that offers several enhanced features and improved performance over its predecessor, GPT-4. Here are some key highlights. 1. Multimodal capabilities. GPT-4o supports text, vision, and audio processing, enabling it to handle a variety of input formats and provide more comprehensive outputs. This makes it suitable for applications that require understanding and generating content across different media types. 2. Enhanced efficiency and speed. GPT-4o is designed to operate faster than GPT-4, making interactions more seamless and responsive. This improvement is crucial for real-time applications and services that rely on quick and accurate AI responses. 3. Extended context window. One of the significant upgrades in GPT-4o is the expanded context window, allowing the model to process longer inputs and maintain more coherent and contextually accurate conversations. This feature is especially beneficial for complex queries and detailed dialogues. 4. Cost efficiency. Despite the advanced capabilities, GPT-4o is more cost-effective. It offers reductions in token processing costs, making it a more economical option for developers and businesses that require extensive use of AI models. 5. New developer tools. OpenAI has introduced several tools and APIs to enhance the development experience. These include improved function calling, JSON mode for generating specific formats, and the Assistance API for creating sophisticated AI-driven applications. Additionally, there's support for custom GPTs, allowing developers to tailor the model to specific use cases. 6. User experience enhancements. GPT-4o includes a dedicated desktop application designed to integrate smoothly into user workflows. This application supports uploading documents and screenshots, using memory for maintaining conversation continuity, and browsing information directly during interactions, thus offering a more natural and productive user experience. 7. Broader language support and functionality. The model now supports improved performance in 50 languages and has capabilities for analyzing charts and visual data, making it versatile for global applications. Overall, GPT-4o represents a significant advancement in AI technology, providing faster, more efficient, and more versatile capabilities compared to previous versions. This makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of personal, professional, and developer-focused applications. Thanks for tuning in. For all the latest updates, don't forget to catch News First Prime.